Guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I hope you all are doing well. As we all know, spring season is on, and whenever spring season comes, it brings a lot of festival and celebration around us. Different colors, vibrant colors add on in the nature, and it somehow it gives a very pleasant and very nice effect, and it can give us a soothing and calming effect to our mind and to our body. So guys, every day I come up with very nice and exclusive deals for you. I bring lot of offers for you, but today's one deal is something very special and very unique. It is very different. Brought for you very nice offer, and it is on lip shades, lip colors. If you are going to buy it from Purple website or few exclusive brands such as NYPay, Stay Quirky and Purple, then if you will opt any two shade of your choice, then you have to pay for only one. And guys, this is a big thing, and this offer is for today only, so please do not miss out this chance to avail this benefit. If you will buy, I'm having a collection of purple lip shades. It is from Purple brand itself. And guys, all the details related to this deal I am sharing in the video description, so do not miss to check out my video description. Everything is given there, link of the product and link of the sale is giving out. So guys, check out the Purple website and do not miss out the chance to grab two lip shades in a price of one. And that's very nice thing. If you will get 1/1 free during this festival season, then obviously it is going to make your day, and the brands are awesome. I have told you it is available on 3 exclusive brands: Stay Quirky, NYPay and Purple. I'm sharing with you here the collection of Purple lip shades. I'm having complete collection of 6 lip shades, and these lip shades are primer plus matte lipsticks. So before using these lip shades, you don't need to primer your lips, as it is having that property, so it will give you a smooth and flawless finish. So guys, these lip shades are very nice, very new. All the shades are different from other and highly pigmented, so when you will wear any of the shade, it will come up very nicely over your skin tone, and it will definitely go. You can mix and match all these shades with your outfits, whether you are wearing traditional outfit or you are wearing western or Indo-western. All these shades are awesome. First of all, I want to tell you that after watching this video, do not miss out to check the deal on Purple website and grab the lip shades of your choice and enhance your collection. Guys, one more additional thing I want to tell you, that I am sharing a coupon code here in my video description, so you will get an extra discount if you will grab this deal and crack the deal and get all the shades of your choice, and whatever you wanted to wear you can have. You don't have to wear the one boring shade on all the outfits. You can have different shades according to your outfit and according to the occasion. I'm going to wear it, and then I will show you how it looks and how it goes with your skin tone. The shades, guys, I must say that shades are so much unique and so different that it can go with your skin tone. And one more reminder again I will give you, that this deal is for 11 November only, means today. It is for today only, and after 12 p.m. in night this deal will finish. And guys, I like the thing very much nice about it. Its packaging is very good, very nice white color, and only Purple, the name of the brand Purple is written here, and the shade, the description of shade is given at the back. So if you will open it, you can, I'm opening it, and you can see it's magnetic. So if it is a very good thing that it is magnetic. It suddenly closes itself, but it is quite tight. It cannot get loosened. Okay, I'm having this shade, and its name is To the Moon and Back 12. I'm going to wear it first and then show you the effect of it, and let's see. This shade is somehow nude, so it can go very nicely if you will wear the smoky eye look during festivals. Shade is very nice, and it is not very dry, very smooth finish. It is having matte but creamy texture. Shade I am having, it is Twilight 10, and guys, this is also a nice shade. I can show you. One shade is having a pinkish touch, so if you are going to wear pastel shade any traditional outfit, then it goes very nicely merged with that, like and giving a nice and modern look. It is not looking very gaudy type. Nice it is. Next I'm having Love Struck One. The name of this shade is, and it is brown in color. Guys, this brown shade is also good. It is not very dark or light, but it is having a soft touch. Very nice shade it is. And so during the festival, if you are going to wear any sari, then it goes very nice with that this brown shade. So guys, have this shade and enhance your look in sari and along with this shade. Another shade I'm having, its name is Wish Come True 3, and it is also very nice pink shade. So I'm going to wear this one. So guys, this one pink shade is somehow neon, having neon touch in it. It is brightening pink shade. So if you are going to wear something western, then it goes very nice with that. And if you will wear this color, this lip shade, then it can somehow enhance your skin tone also. You will look one shade fairer in this lip shade. So guys, I think you must have this shade. It is looking nice, so it will look awesome over you also. Guys, last shade I'm having, its name is Vacation 8. It's Vacation 8, and it is like wine color, and I personally like wine color lip shades very much. I have wear this wine shade, and it is given an intense look. The color is very nice. And one more thing I want to share about these lip shades is its shape, guys. Shape is so nice that you don't need any lip pencil before application. I have used, and the shape is coming out very nice and very perfect. Just need a small hand mirror. Anywhere, any place you can have these lip shades, and you can do the touch-ups. And this shade, if you are wearing lehenga during the festival and during any of the occasion, then this shade gives you an intense and rich look. Enhance your look, enhance your vanity box, and get a rich look. So guys, if you like my review about all these lip shades and lip colors, then give me one thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching my video till then. Thanks. Bye bye.